In this video I'm going to show you how easy and quick is working with personas in TeamXP. So to start, I'm going to click here where it says personas, and then I will be able to see this menu. And here, as you can see, I have two different personas already created with two different factions. And if I want to add a new one, I need to click here where it says new. And then I need to select a picture. For example, I'm going to select this guy here. I need to type a name, a job title if I want, and then I'm going to select a faction here. I'm going to select company. And if I wanted to, I could also make this a role player, create a Twitter profile for this persona. But for now, I'm going to just type the name, the job title, and the faction, and I'm going to save it. That will create automatically a new persona for me, for my library. But if I wanted, what I can also do is, if I select here import, that will display another menu where I can select a library that I will have here. I don't have any at the moment, so I'm going to select a file because I have a file already prepared to import new personas to this library. So I'm going to click browse, and then I'm going to select the file I need to. So in this file, I have these different personas. Here I have several options. If I wanted to copy all of them, I can select all and then copy. Click this arrow here and copy with faction or copy without faction. But if I only need one or two personas, I can select them one by one and then just do the same. So for example, if I wanted to have all the authorities once, I can select all of them and then click copy with faction and click the arrow. That will create the faction and the different personas for this specific library. I can also drag different personas just by clicking them and drag them into the faction I want them to be. So for example, I'm going to leave this person here. And I can also replace existing one. In this case, I'm going to select the press one, where I have News24 and BBC One. Here I have News24, but if I open it, I can see that everything is empty. I don't have a Twitter profile and anything. So what I'm going to do is to use this one instead of this one. So I have to replace it. If I open this one here, I can see that I have the Twitter profile already created. So I'm going to drag this at the top of this one. And here I have different options. I can replace, I can merge, or I can cancel if I don't want to do that. So if I click merge, that will give me the options to keep the name or the email that I was using for that persona. But if I click replace, that will replace my old persona for the new one. So right now, if I open this, here I have all the information that I had for that personas in the previous library. So if I wanted to import this file and create another file similar to the one we use for this one, I need to click here where it says export personas and then save the file in my computer. And that's it.